Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to track an order on Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you want to go ahead and log into your Shopify account in the upper right corner. So go ahead and log into your Shopify account, after which now you'll be greeted by this home page where at the left side screen we can take a look at all the options we have and sections for editing our store, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started tracking our orders. Basically guys, what we are going to be using is, as you can guess it, is this order section right here. Orders is going to give us the access to everything we need regarding our orders. So you can see guys, to go ahead and manage your orders, you can go ahead and add and select a plan. So we are going to need a premium plan. So you can see currently I'm not on one, but what you can do is click and to select your plan. After selecting your plan guys and getting your premium plan, as you can see on those right here, you will be able to access your orders dashboard right here. You can take a look at all the orders that you have right here. You'll be able to see which ones are active, which ones are pending, and so on. So you can track them and make sure that all your orders are being completed and so on. And this is where everything is going to be. So your products are right here and your orders are right here. So you can take a look at the purchase orders and so on. So you can combine everything of this to go ahead and manage your orders successfully. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.